अस्सलामु अलैकुम नाज़रीन, न्यूज़ वेव लाइव के साथ मैं हूं नाइला भट्टी। शामिल करते हैं आज की अहम खबर।
The Sindh government has failed to clean the areas of Karachi and Sindh. It has become difficult to pass through the road disturbed by the water of urban sewers. The Sindh government is not doing anything. Promises to build working roads and improve roads and highways have been left behind. No representative is working honestly in Karachi. The people are worried. No one is listening. Appeal to the higher authorities of the public in case of emergency on the roads. It becomes difficult to take the patient to the hospital because of the sewer water coming on the road and the roads are blocked. The higher authorities should take notice. Not only the water and traffic system of the national highway from Port Qasim to Malir Halt should be repaired.
अब तक के लिए इतना ही। मज़ीद खबरों और अपडेट से बाखबर रहने के लिए देखते रहें न्यूज़ वेव लाइव। हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि नई आने वाली वीडियो आप तक जल्द पहुंच सके।